Hello from Slovenia again. I will play with those colors that I used for my previous pour that I did kind of hide and reveal technique inspired by Jessica Winterstrom, and I saw her do some blowouts with her mouth, just not in the bloom way, just to a little different. So you will see just a hard blow with your mouth on the painting, on the paints. And I use the same colors. I will go through them while I pour them. So this is phthalo blue by Amsterdam. And I didn't know what I'm doing, I have to say, because this is just something that I experiment with. That's why I'm doing a voiceover. This is Art Extreme Sheen Garnet. And my base is just titanium white, and all my colors are mixed with my pouring medium, that is Bessner acrylic binder and acrylic emulsion. And this one is carmine red, and I have some cadmium red too, and Art Extreme Sheen 24K gold and black on the top. And turquoise, green turquoise by Amsterdam. So I'm just playing with that. And because I'm playing, I don't know, yeah. Those who know me, you know that sometimes one little bit of a painting bothers me as much that I just can't oversee it, or how can I say. So I try to save it. I hope I did. I think that I did not. I hope that I did. This is a oxide black that I will just cover those paints. And the white and this faux pillow on top, because the colors lay on the white, not on the black, and they show like more vibrant. If you will do this on the black, the colors will be a little different. So yeah, that's why I did this faux pillow. I heard that on Jessica's channel too, so this is all inspired by her. She's an amazing artist. I already say that, and probably a lot of you know that. So yeah, I was just playing. I blow on two parts quite hard and then tilt it out. I like it, and then I tilt it out a little more because I thought my paints are quite thick and I was worried that they will crack, so I tilted a little more, and it was already a mistake. I think I should have stopped way before and just risk maybe it would crack, but I don't think so, because with my pouring medium I don't have that problem. And then, as I said, one part I wanted to save with some swipe, with some blows. I tried to blow it out and just didn't work. So yeah, I just added a little more paint and redo one part of the painting, and the final result is still beautiful. I really like it. So here I will blow really hard, you see, and then wait for these paints to gather together, or how can I say. And the other blow was more on the white. So yeah, I didn't know exactly where my paints under the black are, but yeah, it was an experiment. I like to experiment. And that's how we learn. This is my, yeah, you can definitely learn watching videos, but if you don't try, you don't know. So if some techniques that you find, sorry, if you see some techniques that you find, interesting, or how can I say, try them. So here I did some swipes here in between, just to wanted to bring some colors out, and I didn't know where they are, so I did some scoops and some swiping. I was just playing. So yeah, it was a journey, but at the end I really like the final result. So watch my mistake, learn from it, and the final result that it was still beautiful. So here is a close-up. I really like this painting after all. I like this tree with this heart. Kind of see a tree. See that shimmer from gold and garnet, extreme sheen, and here is one splatter from the last blowout that I did because of that one part that I really didn't like, but at the end it still turned out beautiful, and I will definitely play with that some more because it's gorgeous. I love this part so much. It's so glary. see that. But I want to have my lights on that you see a shimmer too. Yeah, I like it. So, thanks for being here. I will do more of those experiments with this kind of paintings because I like it. With the faux pillow, or how can I say? Yeah. Love it. Have a nice day and see you again on the next one. Bye.